channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create this glam bridal makeup look, and I asked my beautiful friend Victoria to be my model for today. This look is one of the most requested looks that I get from all the brides all the time, so I really hope you're gonna enjoy watching this video. And as always, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that subscribe and notification button, and let's just get started. I'm starting off by using Too Faced Replenishing Face Primer, which hydrates, smooths, and brightens skin for a dewy, luminous finish. And it also gives you that gorgeous, healthy-looking skin that we all want for our wedding. I'm following with an eye cream to smooth out the eye area, and I'm finishing off with a lip balm to keep the lips plump and smooth as well. Next, I'm applying a concealer right underneath the brow bone to define the eyebrows and prepare this area for makeup application. I'm going as low as the tear duct to cancel out any redness at the same time. Now I'm just switching to MAC's Paint Pot in Soft Ochre to further prime the eye area, and I'm blending this product up with the concealer. I'm setting everything up with a tiny bit of translucent powder. Now to start the eyeshadow application, I'm using Color Tempera from the Anastasia Modern Renaissance palette, and I'm keeping it concentrated mostly in the center and at the beginning of the eyelids. Next, I'm going to go ahead and pick up the medium brown color from the Tom Ford Cocoa Mirage Eyeshadow Quad palette, and I'm going to blend it in the crease. If you watched my signature wedding makeup tutorial, as you should, you know I love this palette for all the brides, and this palette will be listed down below with all other products used in this tutorial. Now I'm applying the darker brown color from the palette, and I'm intensifying the outer V of the eye. For the eyelid color, I'm picking up this gorgeous nude pink metallic color from FLiRT Cosmetics Eyeshadow Compact, and I'm just using my fingers to apply it, because in this way you get the biggest color payout. For that extra sparkle on her lids, I'm using Stila Glitter Eyeshadow in Kitten Karma, and again, using my fingers, I'm blending it all over the eyelid. Now I'm creating the wing liner using Inglot Gel Liner. This product glides super effortlessly, so it's really easy to create a perfect line, and it's long-lasting and smudge-proof, so it's great for weddings. I want to smudge the liner a little bit at the corners, so I'm using the black eyeshadow, and I'm going over the line, blending it at the outer edges. Next, I'm going to go ahead and curl her lashes and apply some mascara. I want the lashes to be super bold and customized, so first I'm using strip lashes, and then I'm following with a bunch of individual ones. I'm placing them on top of the strip to create even more intense fullness and that unique custom look. For her foundation, I'm using Estee Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place Makeup, because this foundation isn't going anywhere and it stays put for long hours, and I'm just blending it into the skin with a beauty blender. To cancel out any redness and discoloration underneath her eyes, I'm using Lancôme's Peach Corrector. It wears beautifully underneath the concealer, and it provides a very comfortable second skin feel. Next, I'm going to go ahead and highlight her face with NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. So I'm using it right underneath her eyes, down the bridge of her nose, and basically everywhere in the center of her face. Now I'm going to contour her face using Julep's Cushion Complexion Perfector. Before setting everything up with a powder, I'm going to go ahead and finish her lower eyelids and lining them with a black pencil. I like to do the lower eyeshadow before applying the powder, because in case you have a little bit of a fallout, you can still easily remove it and reapply the concealer whenever you need. After setting up everything with a powder, I'm going to deepen the contour with a bronzer. I'm also doing a reverse contouring to keep her cheeks super sharp and chiseled. For her blush, I'm using Milani Blush in Luminoso, because I absolutely love using this color on medium skin tones. I'm following with Ofra's Rodeo Drive Highlighter. It's a universally flattering sun-kissed shade, and I love how it illuminates the area and reflects the light. Now I'm going to go ahead and do the eyebrows, and as always I'm using Anastasia Beveryhills Brow Wiz Pencil. Victoria has beautiful eyebrows already, so I'm just going to fill them in a little bit and give them a more defined shape. Next, I'm lining the lips with MAC's Lip Liner in Whirl, and I'm following with a long-lasting lipstick in Lulu from Lime Crime. To top of the look, I'm adding a touch of gloss. I sprayed her face off camera with a setting spray, and now we are just taking a few pictures and she's all ready. So there you have it, a glamorous and bold bridal makeup look. Victoria looks simply stunning, and it's an amazing look for all the brides wanting to look extra special on their wedding day. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. I hope you love this look as much as I do, and I can't wait to see you in my next video. Bye!